Do you know the amazing benefits of drinking rosemary tea daily? Welcome to our exploration of this aromatic delight that's more than just a comforting cup of tea. Rosemary tea is a powerhouse of health benefits, delivering a one-two punch of flavor and wellness in each sip. From its enchanting aroma to its rich, full-bodied taste, it's a beverage that offers a world of good for your body. We've uncovered 8 fantastic reasons to make this tea a part of your daily routine. Stay tuned to discover the 8 reasons why you should be drinking rosemary tea daily. Starting with the first benefit, rosemary tea aids digestion. This aromatic brew stimulates the digestive enzymes in our bodies, aiding in the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients. It's like having a little helper for your stomach. Moving on to the second benefit, rosemary tea is a cognitive booster. The compounds in this herbal infusion are known to improve memory and concentration. It's like a natural brain tonic. So for a sharper mind and a happier gut, rosemary tea is your go-to drink. Moving on to our third reason, rosemary tea is a natural stress reliever. The aroma alone can soothe your senses, while its compounds work to balance your hormones, promoting a calm and relaxed state. But the benefits don't stop at stress relief. It's also a powerhouse for your immune system. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary tea help your body defend against illnesses, from the common cold to more serious conditions. With rosemary tea, you can fight off stress and keep your immune system strong. Now on to our fifth reason. Rosemary tea can help with hair growth. The tea's rich nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamin B6 are known to stimulate the hair follicles, encouraging growth and thickness. It also combats dandruff and soothes the scalp. The sixth benefit lies in rosemary tea's ability to support liver health. It has been praised for its detoxifying properties, helping your liver function optimally by flushing out toxins. For beautiful hair and a healthy liver, make rosemary tea a part of your daily routine. Last but not least, rosemary tea can improve your skin health. The antioxidants in this herbal brew fight free radicals, which can cause skin damage and premature aging. It's like having a natural shield against wrinkles and fine lines. Moreover, rosemary tea's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe skin irritations and promote a healthier complexion. It's like a spa treatment in a cup. So, for glowing skin and a youthful appearance, don't forget your daily cup of rosemary tea. To recap, here are the 8 reasons why you should drink rosemary tea daily. First, it aids digestion, helping your gut efficiently process foods and absorb nutrients. Second, it improves cognitive function, sharpening your focus and enhancing memory. Third, rosemary tea is a natural stress reliever, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Fourth, it gives your immune system a boost, helping you ward off common illnesses. Fifth, it promotes hair growth by stimulating blood circulation in the scalp. Sixth, it supports liver health, aiding in detoxification and overall well-being. Seventh, rosemary tea enhances skin health, contributing to a radiant complexion. And last but not least, it's a natural anti-aging powerhouse, helping to combat signs of aging from the inside out. So there you have it. 8 compelling reasons to make rosemary tea a part of your daily routine. So why wait? Start reaping the benefits of rosemary tea today.